Hello again, everyone. It is Renee from Planning with Renee here, and today I thought I would do a quick video on a giveaway that I have won. I entered Kat Burrows Designs giveaway on June the 22nd, and it was calling all book lovers. So lately myself and my daughter have, my daughter has gotten me into reading a little bit more than I have done lately. It's kind of hard with a 6-year-old and homeschooling and, just getting that time to just sit and have your own quiet time. I get that maybe an hour before I get to sleep of a night time, and that's about it. So during the day it's quite hard to just get my own time to sit and either read a book or listen to a book or both, or so yeah. But I thought I am going to enter this giveaway because if you go on to Kat Burrows Designs on Instagram, she's got some pretty awesome book related stuff on her page. You can get stuff like magnetic bookmarks, you can get phone covers, you can get so much stuff. So I thought, what the heck, I may as well enter it and see how I go. Mind you, I have never won anything in my life, so I wasn't expecting to win. And I'll tell you what, because it was open internationally, she had a lot of, people entering, and my daughter even entered as well. And then on, I think it was the 30th or the 1st of July, I got an email, or it was not an email, I got a message from her saying that I had won. So I thought, yeah, I'd come on here and share exactly what I've got, and yeah, just if you if you like what you see, I would suggest you go and subscribe to her on Instagram. She's brilliant. Have a look at her shop. So yeah, anyway, so enough talking. I thought I would show you some stuff that I got. So I got this beautiful little letter, congrats on winning my book lover giveaway. Hope these goodies arrived quickly for you. They actually did arrive in only a couple of days, which was awesome. So she's really good with postage and stuff. I got this little card. Yeah, thank you for your order, and you got some little ratings and tea related stuff, which is my jam. I'm not a big fan of coffee, so I know, unpopular opinion, coffee is disgusting. But you get that. So yeah, this is her little card that you get. So that's spelling and stuff if you're interested in going to follow her. This I'm really excited about, the coaster. I mean, I just got a new coffee table. I'm not letting anyone put any drinks on it yet, so coaster is perfect for me. I love that. A magnetic bookmark. The book is always better. It really is. Magnetic bookmark, love it. I'm going to use that very soon because I've actually just started. I haven't started yet. I'm just about to start. Ta-da! This is what I'm just about to start. I'm going to start this today. So this will definitely come in handy for this. sticker, of course. No one can have enough stickers. Another 3 magnetic bookmarks, which are brilliant. Love them, come in handy. More bookmarks. Look at these cute little bees. I love them. That one's probably my favorite. A beautiful card. I mean, look at this. Like, how cool is it? It's really pretty. Anyway, I'm probably not going to use that. I'm just going to keep it for decoration. And then I got this tote bag. I haven't opened it yet because I've been waiting to do a video. So I'm going to open it now and see how we go. Excuse the noise of opening the bag. I know that this is quite annoying when people do that. So this is what it's called. Instructions: turn inside out to wash, hand wash with cold water, don't tumble dry, lie flat to dry. Do not use bleach, iron on low heat, inside out. So how cool is this? It's like huge size, which is always good. I mean, this is the size of a book in this bag. So you could, easily fit, you know, if you're going to fit it that way, I'd say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even more. Anyway. Beautiful, beautifully made. Good quality. How cool is this? I just love it. So I'm looking forward to using this, taking all my goodies away when I go and visit family. So yeah, I mean, how cool is it to get, or even just to win anything, in my opinion, but to win something where you get beautiful, you know, beautifully illustrated stuff and things that will come in handy that you can actually use. I mean, I'm really, really happy, and I thank Kat for sending me all of this stuff, and for, you know, for even just doing a giveaway. I mean, you know, a tote bag, a coaster, 2 bookmarks with tassels, 3 floral bookmarks, magnetic bookmarks, die cut magnetic bookmark, a die cut sticker, a greeting card, all, you know, featuring illustrations that she actually drew herself from her collection called Bookish Spring. So, I mean, I'm going to tag her in the description below, so please feel free to go and follow her and check out her Instagram and, you know, her shop as well. I'm just going to see what her shop is. Online shop is katburrowsdesigns.com.au. She has so much stuff on there, and she also does Afterpay, which is awesome. She's actually from Queensland in Australia, so I mean, if you're Australian and you're looking for stickers and stationery, bookmarks, notepads, badges, you know, printables. She also does printables as well. Yeah, if you're interested in any of that stuff, please, you know, go over and give her a follow, and I promise you won't be upset that you did, trust me. Anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope everyone has a lovely day. See you later, guys. Bye.